forgot your Wi-Fi password on your PC, I will show you the easiest way to find it. First, open Control Panel. Now click on Network and Internet. Go to Network and Sharing Center. Now click on your Wi-Fi right here. In this window, click on Wireless Properties, then go to the Security tab. Now check the box Show Characters, and this right here is your Wi-Fi password. I have blurred mine for security, but this is exactly where your passwords will appear. If you prefer another method, here's a quick way using Command Prompt. Let's open Command Prompt. Make sure to run as administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Then type in this command into Command Prompt. I will replace Wi-Fi-Name with mine, but you should use your own network name here. I will also add this command in the description, so you can just copy and paste it. Let's scroll down to key content, and here is the Wi-Fi password. Obviously mine is blurred for security. If you don't see key content, try running Command Prompt as administrator or use the Control Panel method instead. And that's it. Now you can find your Wi-Fi password anytime. Check out my channel for more simple tech tips.